Hi everyone, my name is Paige Sochovka. I'm an international board certified lactation consultant. Today I wanted to show you a quick video on one of my favorite hacks for pumping moms. This is a DIY way to make a hands-free pumping bra or shirt. This can work with, again, a pumping bra or a shirt. This is a tank top that I have. Anything that has these two clip parts as a nursing apparel, whether it's shirt, bra, anything else. So the way that you do this is you unsnap the two pieces of fabric, and then when you take down the top piece, you will notice that you have the strap on the side of your breast. Move that strap so it is in between the two of your breasts. Then you take your flange, place it wherever is comfortable and correct for your nipple, and then take the top strap that has the clip on it, bring it down to snap in place. Then you should have your flange surrounded on both sides by the strap and the top piece. You can pull up the actual shirt or bra a little bit to hold it in place and make it a little more secure. But this is your hands-free mobile DIY pumping bra hack. I hope this helps you. Thank you.